mychinabazaar.com also provides the installation assistance. Installation like any major products, like you can see our elevator, escalator, or any medical products like a CT scan machine. Like you buy it, purchase it. We help you for the purchase from China. You want to get it installed in your specified part, like in the hospital itself or in your shopping mall. So we will help the installation process as well. The tied up manufacturers are our business partners. The Chinese manufacturers will help us with an engineer for installation of your products. We will be taking care about the whole process, the installation process of few major products, of a big products will be done by us on a limited scale amount. A minimal scale amount will also be required. But for small processes, the installation is done in India. We source the engineers from India and make a video conferencing with our Chinese counterpart, the Chinese manufacturers, so that everything is very properly done.